Welcome to another Wall Street Informer production on WSI TV.
Welcome into another Friday edition of WSI TV. That's Sean Bauer, I'm Jordan Bishop, and today we're going to show you how to get in on the next blue chip for pennies on the dollar. Now, there's been one blue chip stock that's been making big headlines recently, hasn't it, Sean?
Yeah, and we're talking about McDonald's here. They've been making headlines because they've been hitting new all-time highs. And McDonald's has a very interesting story, doesn't it?
Yeah, definitely. Their founder, Ray Kroc, he bought the brand off the McDonald's brothers. It just sold burgers and milkshakes when he bought it. And he built it up to be the company that it is today, you know. And one interesting thing about Ray Kroc is that he, you know him as for McDonald's, but he was actually a real estate investor. You know, he would invest in real estate and plot McDonald's in the best real estate areas. You know, as you see when you're driving along, you see him on all the major intersections. Yeah. But just, you know, taking a sharp turn towards the stock of McDonald's, Sean, I have to ask you, if you were looking at McDonald's back in the day, you're looking at the stock, what would you be looking for to invest in that company?
Yeah, I mean, I think as an average investor back when McDonald's was starting as a stock, I mean, I'm not thinking about Ray Kroc being a real estate investor as well as running this food chain. Right. I think I'm just seeing a new restaurant company, a new restaurant stock in a really crowded space. So it may not be something that jumps out to me just, you know, with the fundamentals whenever I'm thinking about yet another restaurant stock. Mm-hmm. But I guess there is something that should turn you towards seeing how McDonald's becomes such a huge success. So what's sort of the way to find out that McDonald's is going to be the successful, find out that this is the stock that's going to become a blue chip?
Well, you know, it's very simple. It's all in the chart. You know, you're looking at the stock chart. It's all there. You know, when we're looking at the charts, we don't care who Ray Kroc is. You know, it's all laid out for us. His vision can actually be found in the stock chart, you know, in trend lines, you know, in the way the stock climbs. So looking at, you know, McDonald's back then, as an investor, as a technical analysis, you're just looking at the chart, you know. You don't want to listen to all the noise on the outside about who Ray Kroc is, what McDonald's is, what their business plan is. You know, it wouldn't make any sense, because, you know, you just want to know what's in the chart, and everything that you need to know is in the chart, you know? Yeah,
and just to jump in here, sorry to interrupt, but yeah, I mean, even today, you're hearing all these different things about, you know, price per earnings ratio and the next earnings announcement and things like that. What we're saying is the chart's going to tell you everything. The price right now is going to tell you, you know, the CEO's vision and all of that. Isn't that what you're saying?
Exactly, Gordon? Yeah, and that clearly worked for McDonald's. You know, it came from, you know, a penny stock. It was under $10 at one point, and now it's at 150 plus. You know, after reaching those all-time highs, and you know, if you got in back then, good on you. You were reading the chart, you know, but that's what those investors were looking for. Now, there's got to be some current examples of that, hasn't there, Sean?
Yeah, I mean, just like, you know, whenever you're looking at the chart and you're looking at these CEOs, how that would have gotten you into McDonald's at $10 or whatever it was. I think the same sort of thing is happening now with Tesla and Elon Musk, as we love bringing up. But it's, you know, a CEO's vision and all these things coming together to make the stock price and the stock chart. And it's all right for you there in the chart without having to look elsewhere. The same can be said for Jeff Bezos and Amazon, which is flying now. They've just made another deal with Whole Foods, but it's all built into the chart. So I guess those are two of the best current examples.
Exactly, yeah. So I mean, the main point is you're not listening to the noise on the outside. You're looking at the chart. The CEO's vision is in that chart, and for you to be able to find the diamond in the rough, you know, you need to find that chart. It doesn't matter what the name is, what the brand name, what the company is. You know, if the stock chart looks good, it looks like it's heading up, it's following, you know, certain trading patterns, then there's chances are it's going to be the next McDonald's, you know. So I mean, you know, tearing away from that a little bit, Sean, is there any final notes you have about any companies that maybe aren't public yet that you want to be looking at, or maybe they are public but they're very small? Or
yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's been in the news lately as well, but we're talking about Uber now. Their CEO actually just left. I mean, you've probably heard a lot about some scandals following the company around, following the CEO around. He just left, so I'm definitely keeping my eye out for the new CEO for when Uber is going public, whenever they're just starting out. And again, I mean, they're kind of a brand name already, but could be the next McDonald's, Amazon, something like that. So I'm definitely watching out for that.
Yeah, definitely. Most highest valued, you know, non-public stock, right? Yeah. Non-public company, sorry. Right. So we'll watch out for that. Well, I appreciate you being here today, Sean.
Of course.
We'll see you next time.
for watching another Wall Street Informer production on WSI TV. Be sure to visit wallstreetinformer.com where you can become a member for free and gain instant access to the secrets of market millionaires via the Wall Street Informer Vault. So go ahead and claim this gift for free now at wallstreetinformer.com.